ChatGPT. So if you've been on my channel for a long time, you'll see that my tutorial is... Wait, is this 15 seconds? Okay. My tutorial is shit. I've come to terms that I'm bad at making tutorials, but thankfully we live in the future. ChatGPT Sensei, please tell me your wisdom. That's not what I mean. Please teach me how to how to make a tutorial. Please, ChatGPT Sensei. Wait, if AI is telling me to do this, does this mean this count as an AI art? Oh yeah baby, we'll make an AI art without stealing. Let's go. Okay, Google, give me script about anime drawing tutorial for YouTube. Let's go. Sure, here's a possible script for an anime drawing tutorial on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw anime. First, let's talk about the materials you'll need. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, a sketchbook or paper, or some colored pencils or markers if you want to add color to your drawing. Throw that away, we don't need that. We use PC and a tablet. Clip Studio Paint, let's go. You can use any brand or type of materials that you prefer, but I recommend using high quality materials to make your drawings look better. Clip Studio Paint is a high quality materials. That counts. Just don't touch the upgrade because fuck the subscription method. Okay, step 1, sketching. Now let's start sketching the anime characters. We'll begin with a basic stick figure to establish the pose and proportions of the characters. Okay, that's right. So we'll go with stick figure. I'm actually bad at drawing stick figure. You know what I'm good at? Drawing cute girl. But I'm bad at drawing stick figure. Okay, where were we? Then we'll add some flesh to the bones by drawing the head, body, arms, and legs. Okay. I'm going time-lapse here, so enjoy the video. Okay, smaller head, just because it's my style. I don't like larger head because it looks cartoony, I guess. Okay, next. Don't worry too much about the details at this point, just focus on getting the overall shape and pose of the character right. Actually, I don't like the pose. Let me change it a bit. Okay, this pose looks better, looks cute, I think. Oh, by the way, when drawing the body, pay attention to the shoulder and hips ratio. Like when you're drawing a girl, the hips should be wider than the shoulder. But when you're drawing a man, the hips and the shoulder is usually the same length. A little proportion lesson. Okay, step 2, adding details. When you've sketched the basic shape of the character, it's time to add some details. We'll start by drawing the facial features such as the eyes, nose, and mouth. Anime characters typically have larger eyes and smaller noses and mouths. So keep that in mind as you draw. Okay, next, then we'll add some hair and clothing to the characters. Anime hair is often spiky or flowy, so experiment with different styles to see what works best for your character. For the clothing, you can draw anything from a school uniform to a superhero suit, depending on the character you're drawing. About the hair, yeah, beginner artists tend to draw their hair like this, straight down. I think this is bad. This is bad. Don't do this. So there's a trick for the hair, and unless you're drawing a certain pose, like I guess sitting on the class or any calm pose, I guess, don't draw the hair straight down. Yeah, if you're drawing a VTuber model where the movement is animated by different software, so yeah, I guess drawing the hair down is okay. But in an illustration with energetic theme, it's not good to draw the hair down. Give it some wind. Even if it looks weird like this, you can always fix it. Don't worry if the sketch looks weird. Just go with what you believe is right. Wow, I've wanted to say that line at least once in my life. And then for the clothing, you can draw anything from a school uniform to a superhero suit, depending on the characters you're drawing. So yeah, I'm going to draw a Japan school uniform, but I'm going to search for reference in Google. If you want to draw something that exists in real life, please take a look at reference and draw according to it. Because if you don't draw from reference, your art will be bad. I guarantee it will be super bad. Oh, and the most important part from this entire video, listen to me closely, this is the most important part. Remember this word, tic-tac save life. Please, for the love of God, when you draw a type, draw it like this. It saves life. Please, for the love of God, I beg you, please. Step 3. Inking. I guess I'll do this in the next video, because I've been recording this for a while and I don't want to make a video that past 10 minutes, because I love algorithm and I want algorithm to love me back. Okay, so that is for this video. If you like what you just watched, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. If you dislike it, then feel free to press the dislike button. Okay, so thank you for watching and thank you for your time. If you want a commission, then email me or DM me on Twitter. I'm open for art commission and VTuber model. Links on the description below. And the samples of my works is on this channel too, so feel free to take a look at it. Bye bye!